Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials so changes don't break your layout. Check MIUI version and back up your home layout. This protects icons and folders. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Display or Home Screen Settings. You're not wasting time. This is where display options live. Make sure to have about 5 minutes. Some changes refresh the launcher. If your phone asks for a restart after updates, allow it before continuing so options appear correctly. You'll now change how apps and icons behave and look. First, open Home Screen Settings and adjust the grid and icon size. More columns fit more apps, larger icons aid visibility. Next, go to Display to tweak text size and font. This affects labels and app UI. Then check the theme app to apply icon packs or rounded corners because visual consistency matters. Make sure to apply one change at a time so you can judge impact. Undo quickly if layout breaks. Finish by applying and reviewing changes across home screens and the app drawer so nothing is hidden. If something looks off, clear the launcher app cache in Settings Apps Manage Apps or force stop and restart the launcher to refresh icons. If issues persist, reset the launcher settings or reinstall the affected app. Restoring your backup recovers layouts. One key tip: if icons vanish after a theme, switch back to default theme first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.